Hey everyone, so I got this thing back together. I have a couple little leaks at the bottom of the sight glass one. The fitting that was leaking that I replaced is satisfactory. There is a leak here. I'm not sure if it's coming from the boiler or the heat exchanger water. But anyway, it did leak the first time I tried to start it up and went away. But this time it seems like it's not going away, so I'll have to give that some attention. I have 15 grams of coffee right there, and I'm gonna try to pull a shot. Should be all warmed up. I don't know if I can do this one-handed. Let's see. Let's see if I can get it done. That looks alright. Let's see if we can get it locked in. That looks alright. I got a scale here. I'm very curious. We got some kind of leak there. Very curious what kind of output we'll get. I kind of grinded. The grind is about what I was using for my Camino, but I went a little bit finer. So let's see, if I got about 30 pounds of line pressure. Let's see if I can get this down without, see what happens as expected or not. See if I get any drips. No drips, so I might be a little bit fine, but let's see what happens. Could go higher on the... Here we go. There we go. It's going to take a while. No, not bad, not bad. Have to see what the timing is on this. Be very... Oh, it's looking not too bad. Definitely gonna take a while though. I don't know if my spring is strong enough. It's my little coffee cabinet I got here. It's hopefully get it looking a little bit better. Hopefully I've got that scale so I can read how much the output is. Alright, we're almost to the top. There we go. Let's go ahead and... I don't want to get that on my scale too much, but I think I'm going to have to. Alright. Well, let's see what she looks like. It's a bit hot. Wow, not too bad. Oh, let's see how she tastes. If it tastes better than the Cremina, I am gonna be freaking happy now. Let's see if I can get this held right. Need a bit of a spoon. Wow, that is good. I would say better than the Cremina because this is my first frickin' shot. And it doesn't taste too bitter, too acidic. I have to think that's not bad. My palate is not the best. I'm not, haven't been doing coffee all that long, just a couple years, and I haven't varied my coffee too long. This is just a Pete's, what do they call it, Cafe Domingo or something like that. So, oh shoot, I forgot to weigh it. Let's see what I forgot to look at the scale. I drank a little bit. Well, it's still at 33.6, 33.8. Let's tare it, see what a couple small sips are. .4, so I would say right at a 40 gram pull, 40 milliliters. So Alright, well, it's very interesting. The Aurora Brugnetti, and she's doing alright. Gotta seal up a couple leaks. I don't know, I might have a leak on my drip tray too, but I'll figure it out. Alright, thanks for watching. Get this thing squared away.